I just got out the shower and I put my hair into braids while I was in the shower. But when I got out the shower, I put a t-shirt on top of my head and wrapped it so my hair could air dry faster. And now we're just going to get into styling my hair. So I'm gonna take out the braids, add conditioner and gel real fast. So I also have the, on this at Marshall's for $6.99 too, but it is the leave-in to the shampoo that I'm just so obsessed with. There we go. Maybe there will be an Amazon link, maybe not. Good luck finding this, and if you guys do find it, let me know where you find it and pick me up the extra one. Okay, so I'm gonna add this leave-in to my hair. It feels okay. It does leave a little bit of a white cast, so maybe I don't want you guys to pick it up. I know you're supposed to like apply it sometimes on wet hair, but I'm not doing that today. Okay, just going to apply a lot to my hair. Maybe next time. Oh, and I actually did end up adding a little deep conditioner to my hair in the shower. Left it on. Still getting a little bit of hair coming out. We're just gonna take the Wet Line Extreme Gel. There we go. Not too different, but this will be way easier to put it in a ponytail. So just gonna repeat this through all of my hair. Yeah, I use a lot of conditioner. One thing that I don't care about for this leave-in is the smell. All these frizzies out. We're just gonna brush it back a little bit. All right, you guys, and that is it for this low ponytail. Probably wear it for a day or two. Yeah, I'll probably wear this for a day or two. I need to put the scarf back on and let it really just like, you know, but this is cute. I definitely like this better as a lower ponytail rather than up here. It looks a little bit more, my skin is so ashy, you guys. Don't drag me in the comments. I think it looks just a tad bit more realistic. I kind of want the ponytail to be up, just like, you know what, no, the low pony's fine. I just need to put my scarf on and leave it. Really wish I had my eco styler, but all good. All right, well, thank you guys for watching me do my hair. Let me know if there's a style you guys want to see next time. Probably you guys want to see me straighten my hair or wear my hair completely like wash and go or braid out, but I don't know what order you guys want to see it in, so just let me know. And I know this is strange, but it just needs a little bit more. We're about to leave that young scarf on for a minute anyways, but I really like how this came out. It's cute. Yes, honey, yes. We probably have to double scarf it up though, to be honest. But yeah, that's it for this look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Good morning, guys. So we're actually about to shampoo my hair. I had my hair braided under a wig, and then I put it up in a ponytail, and then I put it in a lazy bun under some wigs again. So yeah, it's just time to get shampooed. I think we're gonna do another ponytail today. We're gonna do this ponytail. I made a video of it, but I couldn't tell, or I didn't really like it in that video that I made. So yeah, I just thought I would shampoo my hair with you guys and talk to you guys. I'm loving all of the curl definition and the hang time. Yes, honey. So this, in between whatever I was doing, I used the Shea Moisture Curl Stretch Pudding, and this actually works. I know the flaxseed, I'm using a lot of Shea Moisture today. This they don't even sell anymore. I always find it at TJ Maxx or Marshall's. And I told my mom, I was like, if you see it, buy it, because I think they're not making it anymore, which is crazy. And I also saw people on Mercari, probably some dudes, or maybe even a woman, but they're like selling the bottle for like 20 bucks. And I'm like, if push comes to shove, but I am definitely not. Well, we'll see. Anyways, you guys see how this shampoo makes my hair? Like, honey, this is taking over